Hello, my name is Yoga Adriansyah from Physical Education International Class 2018. Uh, I'm here one talk, talk. I want to talk about attitude of sport. Definition of attitude of sport is the social psychologist Elite Aronson has defined an attitude as an enduring evaluation, positive or negative, of people, object, and ideas. Aronson et al. 1994. There are two important features of attitude from that definition. In the number one is attitude are long lasting, and number two, attitude involves making judgment. Next is the nature of attitude. There are two approaches to understanding attitude. Number one, the functional approach. Look at why we have attitude and how adopting particular attitude can be helpful to us. Number two, the structural approach looks at different factors make up attitude. The next is the functional approach. Smith et al. 1964 suggests that having attitude serves three main psychology purposes. Number one, the adaptive function. Number two, the knowledge function. And the number three, the ego defensive or self-defensive. The structural approach. The structural approach to attitude looks at the different components that make up our attitude. It is generally agreed that there are three aspects to our attitude. In the number one, the cognitive dimension of attitude concerns our belief. In the number two, the affective dimension of attitude concerns our feeling. Is the, or the term affective means emotional. In number three, the behavioral dimension of attitude concerns our action. And the next is measure attitude. Trustun, the method of scaling this attitude statement with a stimulus approach, which means that in this approach, it is how sound to place a stimulus or attitude statement on a psychological continuum what that will show the degree of favorable or not favorable of that statement concerned. The next is Likert. Attitude can be measured by the method of Summit rating or method of summated rating. Number three is Osgood. Osgood semantic difference is a application of each more general attempt to measure the semantic or meaning of word, especially adjective and the concept of their reference. The next is factor that influence attitude. Number one is nature. Nature is from uh, self. We from we can like AQ, and SQ. Uh, yeah, intelligent quality, emotional quality, spiritual quality. Number two is prenatal environment. Prenatal environment maybe from we in mother body when we mother pregnant. Number three, individual difference. This is from different from one and one is very different. Number four, environment, condition, and situation. And the last, motivation. Motivation can be from parents or friends or teacher or lecturer or coach. motivation from external factor. And the next is relationship between attitude and sport. Number Planet behavior theory. Theory of action. Based the theory relationship between attitude and sport is by exercising it will make a person fitter, strong, and upper pressure so that this has an impact on one's self-confidence. When a person has the ability and will when he wants to achieve an achievement, especially in the field of sport, that person will make plans to achieve this achievement. It could be by taking part in training, making exercise program, maintaining diet, and so on. And a person's behavior and attitude are also very influential when he is exercising, namely the behavior of how respectful he is to others, his humility, and so on. To better the attitude he has when exercise, that person will also be more appreciating and respect compared to someone who is arrogant and have no respect for others. Take a racist example. The next is trans-theoretical model, a behavior change based on the readiness of individual to have healthy action, provides strategy or change process to guide individual to behave healthy through the state of change and health maintenance. This model explains how individuals modify the problematic behavior and obtain positive behavior. In the example, we can watching in TV, so we can analyze what is problem in the technique or maybe so we can to be used in activity like volleyball, that football maybe. The next is strategies to change sport attitudes. Number one is join sport community. Uh, Maybe you can join sport community from to be a person to good like me. I'm joining volleyball. Maybe you can join football or swimming or maybe any sport or community difference. And the next is making a list of activities and the triangle objectivity. Uh, to triangle or objectivities, we can making a list of activities. So before we go, we must have a list from activity to do it from goal. Thank you from attention. Maybe I'm sorry if I am fast. Thank you.